Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get code from Webflow. First, understand that Webflow provides a straightforward way to export your project's code. This powerful feature is available to users on any paid site plan, offering great flexibility. It allows you to take your beautifully designed website and host it on a different server, or integrate it into a more complex custom development project. This process ensures you maintain full control over your web assets. Before exporting, it's crucial to prepare your Webflow project thoroughly. Make sure your site is completely published to ensure all recent changes are included in the export. Take a moment to review any custom code you've added, ensuring it's optimized and ready for external use. Also, confirm that all your assets, such as images, videos, and custom fonts, are properly linked and loading correctly within your project. This preparation step saves time later. Now, let's walk through the actual export process. From your Webflow dashboard, select the project you wish to export. Then, navigate to the project settings, which you'll find on the left-hand sidebar. Within the settings, click on the Code tab. Here, you'll see a prominent button labeled Export Code. Clicking this button will initiate the download of a compressed zip file containing all your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The download usually takes only a few seconds. Once you've downloaded and unzipped your project, you'll find a well-organized folder structure. Inside, you'll see your HTML files, which lay out the content and structure of each page. There will also be a CSS folder containing all the style sheets that dictate your site's visual design and layout. Additionally, a JavaScript folder will house any interactive scripts. Finally, an Assets folder will contain all your images, fonts, and other media, making it easy to deploy your site anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.